that one, eh? Herman Bartley. Herman Bartley. Yeah, there's no path.
Stupid.
Yeah, we could have stayed there for the waka or is in the paka. Oh, well, there's two policemen over there.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I know, but you still got to pay $1. Okay, yeah. Okay. We go then. It's really sunny today, boy. Sweaty, sunny, but beautiful. Just love being here in Samoa, man. I really, really do. And look at these huge V's, guys. Oh. And a pot of V. We're inside Herman's material shop. Hello. Oh, how beautiful is this one? Oh, I love it. Wonder how much I need it. I want to give me a... Yeah, okay. Yeah, can I have free meter, please? Yeah, no, I like brown. Yeah, but I'd rather wear something I like. I know, I've got so many brown. Thank you. Yeah. I love it. Thank you. You're still doing your YouTube?
Which one?
There was one I watched. How you went to the market.
Oh, I don't got a crabs.
Yeah. Oh, yum.
Yeah, I got a
The kongai one.
Just mucking around, nothing else to do.
Yeah. Well, I watch it and I subscribe.
Alright, okay, thanks. Okay,
Yeah. See ya. Saso fuak. Manuia le aso. Ai, ana wa maua mai lau ie. Ia, lawa maua. Na wala ya skali su ie lo ie. So, ia, okay. Manuia le aso. Kashi. Yeah. Oh, well, I'm going to look credit.
Huh?
I'm going to look credit.
I am fine.
No, I didn't buy one. That's what I said. Yeah, I don't know. I've always liked brown. Yeah, we can go, sis. We can go. Terima kasih, Tara.
Always like
After him. Oh yeah, sorry. I like being here in Samoa. Close up. Yeah, we gotta go to Amanaki now. Amanaki? Just to wait and see our cousin. Just to have a catch up and have another cup of coffee. We already had a cup of coffee with our auntie. Now we're gonna go and have a coffee with our cousin. Yeah, have a catch up. My sister wants lunch. I'm quite full. I had a nice cup of coffee, a cupcake that I thought I didn't want, but it turned out to be delicious. But then most foods taste delicious, guys. And that one was banana chocolate. It's actually beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, okay. We're heading to Amanaki, guys. Okay, here we go. Here we go, Amanaki. Yeah, oh well. Hey, I lunched a cup of tea, auntie. Your turn. What about the shade? Are we even allowed to park there? No way. Oh no, I was thinking here, but I don't know if we're allowed to park it. No, I know, but I was thinking over there, but nah. Anyway, where are we? See any car behind us? Oh no. Okay. Just be careful with the coconut tree, sis. It's right behind us. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't eat. Be careful. Oh look, I'm pointing the camera. Stop! Okay, I don't know where we're allowed to park here. See? Ah. Okay. Okay, at least we got this park. Yeah, okay.
I hate go reverse.
Oh, watch out for the coconut tree. Oh, sis, I'm panicking. Oh no, stress, easy. Excuse you. Excuse you. Watch out for the coconut trees, sis, or any kind of trees. Oh, be careful, slow down. Stop, stop. Ah! Stop! Oh, no way. I drive us to the coconut tree for sure. Stop! Yeah. Okay, beep, 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 beep. Wait a minute. Hey, is that a hotel there? Man, look at no peace and quiet. Oh, look, there's another hotel there. Ah, is that
Amanaki, Amanaki.
Oh, this must be their hotel, ah. Oh, can I leave my material there? I'll be my mawa, leave material. Oh, I love my material. I'm a material girl. Yeah, I like it. Mau aku marko pes. Fia pes lah sim ya. Oka. Okay, guys, we're just gonna go sit down at Amanaki. Oh no, there's a song. I'm taking it off. Bye.